Look at me. There you go. Yeah. Hi, it's been quite a while since I've seen you. Yes. You're still looking good. Be careful. You want to see? Oh my goodness, look at that tongue, boys and girls. She wants to give me a licky, huh? You're such a sweetheart. Yes. Yes. That's her sign of love. Try to lick me because she loves me and I love her too, huh? Look where she is, boys and girls. She's getting bigger and bigger. Remember me? Come here, see me. Yes, come here. How are you? Oh, how are you? Yeah. Oh. Where's everybody else, huh, Shorty? Where are they? Yes. You're such a sweetheart, huh? Yes, you are. The boys and girls love seeing you. Yes, they do. Stick up your head. Stick up your head. See, he's right at the edge there, boys and girls. Because he's so short, so shorty. Huh? Still looking at me, huh? Still looking at me. Yes. Yeah. Is there anything in there, huh? A little bit to eat. Oh my goodness. Here they are, the two sisters and the billy goat. My goodness, what a nice looking family here. Well, not a family, but here we got Billy and we got our loud one. And then we got our real soft little bar. Look at this. My goodness. Hi, Billy. Hi, Billy. And then there's that cutie with the loud voice, boys and girls. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Wow. Is that a cough? Is that a cough, Billy? Billy. How you doing, Billy? Huh? How you doing, Billy? There's our friend there, too. And there's the quiet one way in the back. Always staying in the back, such a sweetie.